Hello everyone, I'm Ethan. Uh, I'm the Global Product Manager for high-speed I/O connector work for Amphenol. And today we are really exciting to introduce our product for the 224 gig solution, including our onboard solution for the OSAP, QSAPDD, and our overpass solution. So we have already developed the 224 gig overpass solution. This is our OSAP converter connected to our UltraPass near chip IC connector. This is a brand new and should be the most of the high bandwidth product in the market. And also we have the QSAPDD converter as well. And for the near chip UltraPass connector, we have two types. One is a straight mount type connector. Another one is our screw mount, which means customer just needs to use the screw to mount the connector to the board. You don't need to do any soldering or referral. It's quite reliability. And also we have the onboard connector for the OSAP. This is the 2x1 OSAP 224 solution, and we also already launched the 1x1 OSAP SMT connector. And as there you can see that we also have the QSAPDD 224 solution already launched, and we are able to provide very preliminary samples for your evaluation, for your verification. So welcome to our booth to check out our 224 solution. That's really fantastic for both overpass and also onboard solution. Yes, thank you.